Keeping the nitrogen screen up to date is an important factor for getting an accurate forecast pasture cover from FARMAX. To update your nitrogen, select the block, then click on Nitrogen. Here you can see any applications of nitrogen fertiliser to grazed pasture. This does not include nutrients other than nitrogen and doesn't include nitrogen applied to crop or silage paddocks. If the block does have crops, you'll notice these areas are shaded out. If nitrogen is applied to an area greater than the amount of pasture available, you will get a warning. To add a new nitrogen event, click New Nitrogen. To adjust the event, select the rectangle or nitrogen in the list. If you applied the fertiliser on a different date, click the arrow next to the date and choose a new one. If the area changed, click on the cell next to the area and type the new one. Press Enter. The rate is the amount of nitrogen applied per hectare, not to be confused with the total fertiliser rate. For example, a rate of 46 kg of nitrogen per hectare represents 100 kg of urea per hectare. Response and duration are the expected extra growth from applying nitrogen and the time in which it takes for that response to happen. We recommend leaving these at the default settings unless instructed otherwise by a fertiliser expert. The application date, area and duration can also be changed by dragging the application left or right and changing the height or width of the event. The total cost of nitrogen is calculated on a per kg of nitrogen basis. However, the total cost can be overridden. Select total cost and type in the actual cost. Press Enter. FARMAX will now recalculate your pasture growth based on your nitrogen applications.